tabla como ay siriti como hindi ka natin palo
The song of his destiny, the hope of sing and dance, the song of all creation, has no one family, all people, earth and sky, this is our chant, sing the song of creation, the song of people of salvation.
Gracias kay kanamo niya estoy el ICES como el representative del ICES, pero yo también a que lo como que habla si Sir Bernard pwede el bata Arab mga tayo palang para wait yes
let us plant trees because it gives us oxygen and it's good for our health.
Siyempre kita palo para tener kita otro día mga bonito.
Kita palo kay para mga otro generation tinitabla sila hindi na
Siguro. Sentro ha? Sí.
That's basic, yes. Para the roots will
din yung mensahe para con ustedes is siyempre kita mga trees para for the future, not only for the future but our generation for the future and also for us here. And this is very good action for the Archdiocese because it will help us to make our world a better place to live, and there's peace, there's joy and equality.
Hello, thank you for coming, and may our beginnings be continued as we journey leveling up Laudato Si from this year and 7 years until 2027. May you also invite and encourage everyone for this value, because this is really our response to the crisis of our Mother Earth. Thank you.